it might not work. If the rig itself suffers a catastrophic failure upon the first pull, our whole demo is done at that point.
When most people think about Loctite, they think about the little red bottle that's being used to bond a nut to a bolt. But actually, Loctite adhesives are used in almost every single product you touch and everything you do.
If you're trying to keep a car together, you're trying to keep a plane together, keep whatever from vibrating loose, ultimately that's where we got our start.
I've worked on hundreds and hundreds of applications in all different industries, and the end goal is always a better product that helps make the world a better place. When we went to go do this test, we really wanted to figure out something that was bold, that would essentially show speed, strength, and resiliency.
We're gonna try and pull a train using just adhesive.
Those trains weigh like 75 tons per car. They start to move, they shake, they shimmy, they're floating, they're hitting each other.
A lot went into it, a lot of time in design into the coupler. We incorporated springs. There's a lot of up and down motion when the trains are going down the track. So we had to incorporate some room for these to move, because 208 tons is a lot of weight on a 3 by 12 inch bonded assembly.
We really didn't know if we could do it. We weren't sure. It's really exciting to have a problem like this. It's so big that you're not sure if you could solve it or not.
We're at the mechanical limits of the pins that hold our rig onto the knuckle couplers. So we had to get chrome moly steel pins and had them heat treated to withstand the forces being put on it.
The only way we can really address that is we've got the engineering calculations, we've got the adhesive technology, we got the know-how. Now we're gonna have to rent a train, go out there and try it. It's a very, very challenging feat. We're not sure this is gonna work. Even though we've run the calculations, sometimes they don't extrapolate to the real world.
These plates have been cleaned, they've been sanded.
So we're going to be using the Loctite 4070 hybrid product today.
Now the main point of this is we want to get full coverage of the plate. Reason being, when we get full coverage, we take advantage of the full surface area. That way we can get the highest strength bond. So this is the bonded plate that's actually going to pull the train. I'll be nervous up until when the train starts to move. Once the train starts to move, I think that'll all kind of go away.
Up hills, through bridges. We attached it, steel was bending, the adhesive held, it went great, and I'm really proud of the results of the adhesive.
It's great to see all our hard work come into this. All people from product development, project management, engineering, everything came together to make this happen today. That was a good feeling.